Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to Spoken English class. In this class, we are going to read about Hazrat Hud alayhi salam. Let's start. The Prophet Hud alayhi salam and the terrible wind. A long time ago, in the land of Yemen, there was a city called Iram. Iram was a very big city. The buildings were huge. The gardens were very beautiful. The people were very rich. The people of Iram were proud. They were proud of their city. They were proud of their gardens. They forget that Allah gave them everything. They forget how to pray to Allah. They lived in the city of Iram a man called Hud alayhi salam. He was a prophet. He loved Allah and prayed to Him. He wanted other people also to love Allah and pray to Him. But they did not listen to him. They turned their backs on him. They were very proud and very arrogant. The Prophet Hud alayhi salam knew that Allah did not like arrogant people. He knew that Allah would punish them if they did not change. He knew that Allah would punish them if they did not become good. But the people did not want to change. They thought there was nothing wrong with them. Allah sent a terrible drought to punish them. The wells went dry. There was no water in the canals. The green fields turned yellow. The leaves dried and fell from the trees. The flowers in the gardens dropped their heads. The animals cried with thirst. The Prophet Hud alayhi salam again warned the people. He said, Allah already punished you with drought. Don't be weak. Allah will punish you more if you don't listen. But the people did not listen to him. In the end, Allah sent a terrible wind to punish them more. The terrible wind came riding on a furious dark cloud. People saw the cloud coming nearer and nearer. They thought it was a rain cloud. Their pride made them blind. They did not see that it was a terrible wind riding on a loud cloud. They did not understand that they were in the wrong. They did not own up that they were weak. They did not understand that Allah did not like their weakness. The terrible wind blew for 7 nights and 8 days. The trees fell down with their roots sticking up. The houses were smashed. The gardens were ruined. The men were dead. There was nothing left of the city. Allah saved only the Prophet Hud alayhi salam and the people who listened to him. Allah always saves those who believe to him. The lesson of the story is that one should remain humble even if one becomes successful. One should give all the credit for one's feats to the blessings of Allah. In not doing so, one's success could be ruined. In the same way as the great homes of the people of Ad were destroyed by the great storm sent by Allah. Thank you very much.